Your doors are a critical part of your home, providing security, energy efficiency, and style. In Clearwater, Florida, the hot, humid climate and occasional storms can take a toll on your doors over time. While regular maintenance can extend their lifespan, there comes a point when replacing your doors is the best option to maintain your home's functionality and curb appeal. Here are the top signs it's time to replace your doors in Clearwater. Visible damage or wear and tear. Doors are constantly exposed to the elements, and visible signs of damage are a clear indicator that it's time for a replacement. What to look for? Cracks or splits. Structural damage like cracks in wooden doors or splits in fiberglass doors weakens their integrity and can compromise security. Rust or corrosion. Metal doors can develop rust, especially in Clearwater's humid, salty air, reducing their durability. Warping or swelling. High humidity can cause wooden doors to warp, swell, or stick, making them difficult to operate. Replacing a damaged door restores your home's security, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Difficulty opening or closing. If you're struggling to open or close your doors, it could indicate a deeper issue with their alignment or structure. Common causes. Warping. Wooden doors are especially prone to warping in Clearwater's humid climate, leading to misalignment. Hinges or frames. Loose or damaged hinges and frames can cause doors to stick or sag. Shifting foundation. Natural settling of your home's foundation can misalign door frames, making it hard to open or close doors smoothly. Replacing poorly functioning doors ensures they operate properly and maintain your home's security. Drafts or air leaks. Drafts around your doors can make your home less comfortable and drive up energy costs. In Clearwater's hot climate, air leaks force your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy consumption. Signs of air leaks. Noticeable drafts. Feeling air movement around closed doors indicates gaps in seals or frames. Increased energy bills. Higher cooling costs can result from poorly insulated or drafty doors. Light or gaps. Visible light or spaces around the edges of your doorframe point to inadequate sealing. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors with proper weather stripping eliminates drafts and enhances your home's comfort. Moisture damage or mold growth. Clearwater's humid climate makes homes susceptible to moisture-related issues. If your doors show signs of water damage or mold, it's time for a replacement. What to watch for? Peeling paint or finish. Water intrusion can cause paint to bubble, peel, or fade. Rot or soft spots. Wooden doors may develop rot or soft spots due to prolonged moisture exposure. Mold or mildew. Dark spots or a musty smell around your doors indicate mold or mildew growth. Replacing damaged doors with moisture-resistant materials like fiberglass or steel protects your home from further issues. Outdated appearance. Your doors play a significant role in your home's curb appeal. If they look outdated or don't match your home's style, replacing them can enhance your property's visual appeal and value. Reasons to update your doors. Worn or faded finish. Sun exposure can cause doors to fade or lose their original luster. Inconsistent style. Mismatched doors from previous replacements can detract from your home's overall aesthetic. Modern features. Upgrading to doors with decorative glass, side lights, or updated hardware can add a contemporary touch. Replacing old doors refreshes your home's look and makes a strong impression on visitors or potential buyers. Lack of energy efficiency. Older doors often lack modern energy-efficient features, leading to higher energy costs and less comfortable indoor temperatures. Energy efficiency issues include poor insulation. Older doors may not have insulated cores, allowing heat transfer and increasing cooling demands. Outdated glass panels. Single-pane glass offers minimal insulation, while modern low-E glass reduces heat and UV rays. Worn seals. Aging weather stripping and seals allow air leaks, diminishing your home's energy efficiency. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors reduces energy bills and improves your home's environmental footprint. Compromised security. A door that no longer provides reliable security is a serious concern. Replacing it with a stronger, more secure option protects your family and belongings. Security concerns include weak frames or locks. Damaged frames or worn-out locks make your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Outdated materials. Older doors may not meet modern security standards, such as reinforced frames or impact-resistant glass. Loose or wobbly doors. A poorly fitted door can be easily forced open, compromising safety. Replacing your door with a modern, secure model ensures your home remains safe and well protected. Conclusion. From visible damage and poor functionality to energy inefficiency and outdated styles, there are many signs that it's time to replace your doors in Clearwater. Upgrading to new, high-quality doors enhances your home's security, comfort, and curb appeal, making it a worthwhile investment. If you're noticing any of these signs, contact a trusted door replacement professional in Clearwater. With expert guidance and a range of durable, stylish options, they'll help you find the perfect door to meet your needs and thrive in Clearwater's unique climate.